As always, don't forget to check the video description down below for the best prices on parts and tools we use in today's project. So today, I have about a 2005-ish Honda Civic, and you crank it up and it stalls immediately. So I've checked a few things, and my mechanic friend who's been doing it for 30 years thinks, oh man, it's probably that main relay or the ignition switch. I feel like it's probably the main relay. So I'm going to check on that, but while I'm getting to that main relay, at least I'll show you how to replace it. And at the end of the video, I'll let you know, oh, this did or did not fix the car. So anyways, main relay, also air fuel ratio relay. Let's check it out, see how to get to it. All right, and this is the customer car, not my car. Although mine's not very much cleaner, but. All right, so what we have here is the glove box. You have to take the glove box off to access the relays. They're sitting right in there. So what you've got is these little tabs right here, and they've got a little squeeze. So you're gonna come behind here, squeeze it, pop it out. I'll show you doing this side. We're gonna come right in here, and we're gonna take this little tab right here. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. Maybe I can just at least set it up and show you what it looks like. So yeah, there's your little tab. You're just gonna squeeze and pop that out, and then our glove box will drop down. So once you've squeezed those tabs in, you'll be able to come on this side and kind of pop this out, and it looks like it's just resting on it. So I'm gonna lift it up a little bit, pull it out, and then there we go. So here are our relays. Now this is like a transmission relay or something like that. That's a air fuel ratio relay, and these are your two main relays. It's like relay 1 and relay 2. So now to take them out, you're just gonna grab on it. Sorry, my hand's in the way, but it'll pull out here. You can kind of see how stuck they are in there, but that is one of the relays. So what I'm gonna try to do is, first I'm gonna see if there's another relay on the car that I can just kind of pop in there real quick and just kind of test and see if that was what was causing the problem. So here in a second, we'll get to that. Okay guys, so this is what I did. I came over here and I grabbed the headlight. It's like right and left, left and right relays. They're sitting right here. Just go ahead and pull those out. The part number is a little different. It didn't seem to matter because the car still starts and shuts off. But I took those two relays out, and I put them in here. Let's see, what does this say? Okay, that is 33A. All right, the two for the main relay are 33A. Your headlight relays are going to be 32A, but the schematic on the relay is the same for all four of them. So what I did is, first I took my two main relays out, and then I put the two headlight relays in there. Car did the exact same thing. It started up and then cut right back off. Then I was like, well, hey, maybe it's the air fuel relay. Now this one, I have no idea if they're the same. Could be different. I would think this is the air fuel relay, and it goes right there. I would think that this probably makes some sort of a difference, and except for the fact that it's doing the exact same thing with a headlight relay in there as well. So I imagine same thing, just different colors, different part numbers. Could be wrong, but that is how I tested to see if, hey, is this a bad relay? Are those bad relays? And if it was the wrong relay, I'd imagine it would do something different, but it's doing the exact same thing. So that's how I tested the main relay and the air fuel relay for this 2005 Honda Civic. If you're trying to take this air fuel relay out, what I found was down in here, this one doesn't have the clips, but this air fuel relay has these little clips right there and there. Not clips, but little things to hold on to clips. So focus camera, there you go. So what you got to do is you got to come down here, and you'll look up in there and you'll see that's what's holding it on. Just take you a nice little pick. I'm using the camera, here we go. All right, and then you're just gonna kind of pry it back, and while you do that, there's also one on the back side as well, and it doesn't look like I'm gonna be able to get the camera back there, but looks the same. on the back. Oh, hey, come on. Nope. Okay, so it's same on the back, same concept. And then while you're holding those, what I did is I held them out, and while I held those clips out, I came to like what would be this relay right here with a pick, and then I kind of wedged in and twisted to pull this up out. So anyways, that's your relays. That's where they're at. That's kind of the way I tested it. So hopefully that's helpful. Next thing I would check would be the ignition lock cylinder. I'm sorry, the ignition switch, not the lock cylinder. The electrical ignition switch can cause a lot of problems on this car.